Hello friends, in today's video I want to show you how to fix Instagram chat theme option not showing. So this is a new problem which a lot of people facing on Instagram. So in the latest Instagram update, Instagram just roll out the new update in which a lot of people facing problem to access the chat theme option. So I want to show you how to fix this. So the first thing you have to just make sure update your Instagram, because a lot of errors will be automatically fixed once you update your Instagram. So right now I have received a new update. So first I want to just update my Instagram. So if you update your Instagram, so almost 99% error will be fixed. So here I want to just first update my Instagram. So it take a little bit time. So once you successfully update your Instagram app, so almost 99% error will be fixed. I hope this error will be fixed once you successfully update your Instagram app. So as you noticed it, now it installing my Instagram updates. So as you noticed it, I have successfully installed the Instagram update. So now I want to just open up the Instagram, and in this time I want to just go to the Instagram DM message option. Now here I want to just open up the chat of my Instagram friend. Tap on their profile. Here you notice that now I have access the theme option, which was right now set as a default. So in a default theme you can only see the limited fonts and by default blue color on Instagram DM message. So you notice that when I send a specific message, so you notice that it shows in a blue color. Now let me show how to change the Instagram theme using theme option. Now you have to just tap on theme. Like I want to just select this one, then tap on select. So you notice that the theme is now selected. Now I want to go back. Now here you notice that the theme is successfully applied. So with the help of this process you can easily fix Instagram chat theme not showing. You have to just update your Instagram app, and once you successfully update your Instagram, you will be able to find the Instagram new chat theme option. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video helpful for you, then please like, comment and share this video. Thank you so much for watching.